Ladies and gentlemen, it's that time of the year again. The leaves are falling, the air is crisp, and the tax return season is upon us. But don't let the dread of paperwork and numbers get you down. In this video, we're here to guide you through the process and show you why filing early can be a game changer. From faster refunds to avoiding scams, we'll give you the inside scoop on all the benefits of getting a head start on your tax return. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive into the world of tax returns together. You never know, it might just be the most stress-free tax return season yet. A tax return is a document that individuals and businesses file with the government to report their income and taxes paid for a specific tax year. The purpose of a tax return is to determine whether an individual or business owes additional taxes or is eligible for a tax refund. Filing a tax return is important because it is required by law for all individuals and businesses who meet certain income thresholds. Failure to file a tax return can result in penalties and fines. Additionally, by filing a tax return, individuals and businesses can take advantage of deductions and credits that can lower their tax liability and increase their refund. It's also important to note that a tax return is not only about paying taxes, but it is also a way to claim credits and deductions that an individual or business is eligible for, such as deductions for charitable contributions, student loan interest, or business expenses. This can result in a lower tax bill or a larger refund. One of the biggest advantages of filing your tax return early is the ability to receive your refund faster. When you file early, the IRS has more time to process your return and issue any refund that you're eligible for. This means that you'll have access to your money sooner, which can be especially helpful if you're counting on that refund to make a big purchase or pay off some bills. Another advantage of filing early is that you'll be among the first in line for processing, which means that you'll be less likely to experience delays or processing errors. By filing early, you'll also have more time to correct any errors that may be found on your return, which can further speed up the refund process. Also, by filing early, you reduce the risk of being a victim of tax-related fraud or identity theft. By filing early, criminals will have less time to file a false return using your information, and your refund will be issued before the criminals have a chance to file the false return. Tax season is a prime time for criminals to take advantage of unsuspecting taxpayers. These criminals often use tactics such as phishing emails, phone calls, or social media messages to trick people into providing personal information, such as social security numbers or bank account numbers. One of the most common scams during tax season is the phishing scam. This is when a criminal sends an email or message that appears to be from the IRS, but is actually a fake message designed to trick people into providing personal information or clicking on a link that will download malware onto their computer. By filing early, you'll be less likely to fall for this type of scam because the criminals will have less time to send out fake messages. Another scam that is common during tax season is the tax preparation scam. In this type of scam, a criminal poses as a tax preparer and offers to file taxes for a fee, but then takes the taxpayer's refund without giving the taxpayer their refund, or they may file a false return using the taxpayer's information. By filing early, you will be able to file your return before the criminal has a chance to file a false return using your information. Identity theft is another serious concern during tax season. Criminals may use stolen personal information to file a false return and claim a refund in someone else's name. When the real taxpayer goes to file their return, they'll be told that a return has already been filed under their name, which can lead to delays and headaches. By filing early, you'll be less likely to fall victim to identity theft because criminals will have less time to steal and use your personal information. Filing your tax return early can also help you reduce the chance of errors on your return. When you're rushing to meet the tax deadline, it's easy to overlook important details or make mistakes that can lead to errors on your return. By filing early, you'll have more time to double-check your return and make sure that all the information is accurate and complete. One of the most common errors on tax returns is failing to report all sources of income. This can happen when taxpayers forget to include a form, such as a 1099 or W-2, or when they fail to report tips or freelance income. By filing early, you'll have more time to gather all the necessary forms and make sure that you're reporting all of your income. Another common error is claiming deductions or credits that you're not eligible for. For example, some taxpayers may mistakenly claim the earned income credit when they're not eligible, or they may claim deductions for charitable contributions that they didn't make. By filing early, you'll have more time to review the eligibility requirements for deductions and credits and make sure that you're only claiming what you're entitled to. Additionally, many taxpayers make mistakes when calculating their taxes, such as miscalculating their tax liability or overstating the amount of their refund. Filing early not only gives you a head start on avoiding errors and scams, but it also ensures you'll get your refund sooner. You can put procrastination to rest. Give yourself peace of mind and cross this important task off your to-do list. As soon as the IRS begins processing returns, you can submit yours and kickstart the review process. In 2021, the IRS received a whopping 169 million returns, with 129,841,000 of them resulting in refunds totaling a whopping $365.5 billion. If you're owed money, there's no reason to let the government hold onto it any longer than necessary. Filing sooner means a faster refund, as the IRS won't be as swamped during the early stages of tax season as they will become April. Many people rely on their income tax refunds to pay off big expenses. By filing early, you'll have access to your money sooner, and it may even help you avoid taking out a costly short-term loan to cover bills, especially if you're still paying off holiday expenses. Furthermore, as the purchasing power decreases during periods of high inflation, the longer you wait for your refund, the less valuable that money may become. So, filing early can help you get the most out of your refund. When it comes to taxes, one of the most crucial decisions you'll have to make is whether to itemize deductions or take the standard deduction. The standard deduction is a set amount that reduces the amount of income on which you're taxed. For the 2022 and 2023 tax years, the standard deductions are as follows. Single, $12,950 2022 and $13,850 2023. Married filing separately, $12,950 2022 and $13,850 2023. Heads of household, $19,400 2022 and $20,800 2023. Married filing jointly, $25,900 2022 and $27,700 2023. Surviving spouses, $25,900 2022 and $27,700 2023. But there's good news for those who are at least 65 or legally blind by the end of the tax year. Additional deductions are available for those who qualify. For example, if you file a joint return and one spouse is 65 or older and legally blind, you can claim twice the additional deduction. Here's a breakdown of the additional deductions. Single and heads of household, 65 plus or blind, $1,750 2022 and $1,850 2023. 65 plus and blind, $3,500 2022 and $3,700 2023. Married filing jointly and married filing separately. 65 plus or blind, $1,400 2022 and $1,500 2023. 65 plus and blind, $2,800 2022 and $3,000 2023. By understanding the standard deduction and the additional deductions that are available, you can make the most of your tax return and keep more of your money in your pocket. Filing your tax return early has many benefits, from getting a faster refund to avoiding scams and identity theft. It also helps in reducing the chance of errors on your return. We hope that this video has provided you with valuable information on the reasons to file an early tax return. Remember that the earlier you file, the more you can take advantage of deductions and credits that can lower your tax liability and increase your refund. Now that you have a better understanding of the benefits of filing early, make sure to put it into practice. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and join our community. We'll be providing more tips and tricks to help you manage your finances and make the most of your money. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.